Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a clean with me slash like deep cleaning my room, also rearranging my room. If you guys saw my room tour, my room looks a lot different than it did in that room tour. It's a lot more cluttered, and yeah, I just wanted to show, hey, everyone's rooms get messy and gross sometimes. I've just been really busy with life and I just haven't had the time to really, clean or anything like that. But I want to do it now because my room is my safe place. And if my safe place is chaotic, I feel like my life is chaotic. So I just want to say, do not judge or bring me hate. Like I said, I've just been working so much, I just don't have any time to clean. So with that being said, woo, we're gonna clean, and then I'm also gonna start rearranging some things as well. So I still have this mirror, if you're wondering. Love this mirror. I moved this that used to be over there to over here, but here it is. It's a lot of just stuff from Christmas. Oh my god, it looks so bad on camera. I swear it's not that bad in real life. A lot of this is just, again, boxes from Christmas and Christmas gifts and whatnots. So we are going to, what should we do first? Probably take out any of the trash that we need to do. So let's go ahead and do that first. I still have a lot of Christmas things. I filmed what I got for Christmas not that long ago. So I still have a lot of stuff like that. Like I have my Mara Twins X Way Cart PR box, which I don't want to get rid of, but like I can't hoard this, you know what I mean? Okay, right now we're just getting everything off the floor because I think that's the best place to start, is just getting everything off the floor, and then we'll rearrange things and put things away, I guess. Okay, here we are. Every single thing that was on the ground is now, if it's not trash, is on my bed. And now we're gonna try moving my bed. I'm gonna put my bed over here now. I don't know how this is gonna go, guys, because everything's on the bed, so it's kind of heavier now. But I don't know where to put you guys for this. I think this will be really funny.
I love purple.
Guys, the hard part is over. I just moved my bed. Let me show you. Literally. Hello. We're gonna move this around, put this there, and make it look a little bit cuter, but oh my gosh. The chaos is begun. I need to charge my camera though, so I'm gonna take a little break. Okay, it's now, I don't even remember when I started. It's now 4:10. A lot of progress has been made. Actually, it doesn't look like it, but it did. Well, everything moved. You walk in, still a little cluttered, but look at the beds on this side now. My bookshelf is facing me, and this will be my like little fashion corner. I'm gonna move the ottoman back into the other room. We're making lots of progress, and I'm really liking the way it's looking. I'll probably check back in with you guys in like an hour or so when I'm kind of refining everything, and then I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. I'm really liking it. This is looking so good. I think it's gonna look, once it's perfectly clean and like there's nothing everywhere. Hey guys, I'm such a liar. I said I was gonna update you in an hour. It's literally now January 7th, 7:19. I don't know when I filmed that last clip. It was a few days ago. We have made progress. I'm gonna show you. I'm not completely done tomorrow. I think I'm gonna finish officially. I've just been doing other things, you know, because yeah. But anyways, shall we show them what has been done, Fifi? This is my cute cat. He's so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and show you. There's still low-key a lot of shit that just needs to be thrown out or just moved to a different place, but we've made progress. Look how cute my little photo walls. This hasn't changed. This is just how it's been, but I literally love it so much. I love all these people. There's still some shit on the ground. I got a new rug. So much cuter because it's short. My van, oh my god, me saying it looks a lot better, but here's my bed. Kind of semi-made. My little bedside table. I have to rearrange my shelves. These shelves are done. I'll go on and do a little in-depth tour of them. He is loving everything. Here's my fashion corner, what I'm calling it. I have my favorite clothes, my shoes. This is all like trash. Trash. And how cute. But look at my little fashion corner and how it's coming out. I just have like some of my favorite jewelry and stuff. Let me show you these shelves really quick. I'm currently in the process of finishing making my little Lego Star Wars set. I have 2 more in the box that I need to complete to finish this. Here I have my Funko Pops. Just some of my faves. Look how cute the succulent Legos are. My books. And then personal like stuff, I guess you can call it. But yeah, That's the update I never gave you. I promise you'll see an update tomorrow. I'm holding myself. On January 8th, you will see an update. I promise. Okay, see you tomorrow. Guys, it's been a few days. And I know in the last clip I said, oh, I'll see you guys tomorrow. No, I lied. I lied, but we are back with a clean room. So I'm gonna give you a really light overview of everything so you guys can kind of see how it looks. But if you want to see a more in-depth room tour, I'm so down. Same thing as always. I need to organize my blanket basket so badly. But here's how we're looking. Watching some YouTubes. But like, guys, I'm taking that bag today. That's why it's there. But literally looks so good. So clean. What do we think? There's just a few things I still need to do, but I need to get this video up tomorrow. So like, I just need to finish organizing like my bookshelf and these shelves right here, and my clothing rack's almost done, looking good. But what do we think? I like it. Next week's video is gonna be a Disney video. I'm gonna be doing like my ear collection and like maybe a Loungefly collection, because I know a lot of you guys do like the Disney content. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's kind of boring, but look at the end product, guys. It's literally so nice. Like, I love this section right here. Anyways, if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and then also make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.